Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, success just seems out of reach? Like you're stuck, running in circles, while others move forward? There's a hidden reason behind it, and once you uncover it, you can completely change your future. What if I told you that reprogramming your mind is the real secret weapon nobody taught you? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take control of your mind and unlock the success you've been chasing. Most people spend years, sometimes even a lifetime, chasing goals, switching plans, doubting themselves, and thinking that maybe success just isn't for them. But what if I told you the real problem isn't your talent, your intelligence, or even your luck? The real issue is hidden deep inside your mind, your subconscious programming. Imagine trying to drive a car with the handbrake pulled up. No matter how much you press the gas, you won't get anywhere. That's exactly what's happening inside your mind right now, and today, I'll show you how to finally release that brake. The biggest mistake people make is thinking that success is just about working harder. But success is 90% mindset and only 10% action. You can hustle all day, every day. But if deep down you don't believe you deserve to win, your mind will always find a way to block you. That's why you procrastinate, self-sabotage, or quit just when things are about to get good. It's not your fault. Your brain is simply running an old, outdated program that was installed when you were younger. Maybe it came from your parents, your teachers, or even society. But the good news is you can rewrite it. And today, I'll walk you through how to do it step by step. First, you need to become aware of your current programming. Think about the voices in your head when you're about to take a risk. Are they encouraging you? Or are they whispering doubts like, you're not good enough, or this won't work? That voice isn't you. It's the old program speaking. To identify it, spend one full day paying close attention to every negative thought you have about yourself, your goals, and your abilities. Write them down. Don't judge them, just observe. This is like shining a flashlight into a dark room. You can't fix what you can't see. Now that you've found the old scripts running in your mind, it's time to challenge them. Pick one belief, like I'm not good enough, and ask yourself, is this really true? Can I find real proof that shows the opposite? Maybe you achieved something important before, or maybe someone once praised your skills. Dig deep. Every time you catch yourself thinking a limiting belief, stop immediately and replace it with a new empowering thought. For example, instead of I'm not good enough, say, I'm learning and getting better every single day. Your brain might resist at first, but repetition is how you overwrite the old code. The next step is powerful. Visualization. Every day, take 5 minutes to close your eyes and imagine yourself living your dream life. Feel the emotions as if it's happening right now. Imagine the sights, the sounds, even the smells around you. The brain doesn't know the difference between a real memory and a vividly imagined one. The more you visualize success, the more your mind will start believing it's possible, and it will guide your actions to match that new belief. This is not some woo-woo thing. Top athletes, entrepreneurs, and performers all use visualization to program their minds for victory. Another critical piece is changing your environment. You can't plant a seed in toxic soil and expect it to grow. Surround yourself with people, books, podcasts, and environments that reinforce the mindset you want. If your current circle laughs at your dreams or constantly fills your head with negativity, it's time to distance yourself. Your environment programs your mind every single day, whether you realize it or not. Choose to program it consciously. Now, let's talk about affirmations, but not the cheesy ones. I'm not asking you to stand in front of a mirror yelling, "I'm rich," if you're broke. Real affirmations work when they're believable and emotionally charged. Instead of lying to yourself, affirm the process. Say things like, I am becoming more confident every day, or I am building habits that create success. When you tie your affirmations to real actions, your mind starts aligning with your goals naturally, without resistance. Here's the moment that changes everything. Consistency is more important than intensity. Most people get excited for a few days, then fall back into old habits. But if you commit to these practices daily, even if it's just for 10 minutes, you'll start seeing changes that seem almost magical. It's not magic, it's neuroscience. Your brain physically rewires itself based on the thoughts you repeat and the actions you take. You are literally building a new mind, thought by thought, habit by habit. And here's something most people don't realize. You don't have to be perfect. Reprogramming your mind isn't about never having doubts or bad days again. It's about noticing when you slip and getting back on track faster. It's about progress, not perfection. Every time you catch a negative thought and replace it, every time you visualize your success, every time you choose growth over fear, you're winning. Even if it feels small, it's working. Success is built quietly, in the tiny moments when nobody's watching. Let's quickly sum it up. First, become aware of the negative programs running your mind. Second, challenge and replace those limiting beliefs. Third, visualize your success daily with real emotions. Fourth, upgrade your environment. Fifth, use believable affirmations tied to real actions. And most importantly, stay consistent even when you don't feel like it. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have. And now, you know exactly how to reprogram it for success.